Dear students, welcome to unit number 4, topic 1, statistics, definition, functions, levels of measurement, role and importance of statistics in research. What is the definition of statistics? Statistics is the science of using numbers to represent facts or describe a situation. Statistics can be defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Statistics may be called science of counting. Statistics is basically the science of averages. The statistics, what we do, we manipulate the numbers, we find out the central tendencies or the standard deviation. So it's the science of numbers. What are the functions of statistics? Statistics is used to present facts in a definite form, to simplify unwieldy and complex data, to use it as a technique of making comparisons. Statistics is used to enlarge individual experiences. That means to generalize. Statistics provides guidance in the formulation of policies. Statistics enables measurement of the magnitude of a phenomenon. So it is used to find out simple conclusion from the complex data. There is data, qualitative, quantitative. By converting them into quantitative data and by using statistical techniques, we can arrive at simple solutions. We can solve several problems with the help of statistics. Statistics can guide the policy makers, legislators to frame simple conclusions and solutions. What are the levels of measurement? There are 4 levels of measurement. There are 4 basic measurement scales that become respectively more precise. First level is nominal, followed by ordinal, then interval, and finally the ratio. The precision of each type is directly related to the type of statistical test that can be performed on them. The more precise the measurement scale, the more sophisticated the statistical analysis can be. In this manner, nominal is the basic level and ratio is the highest, most precise level of measurement. What is nominal level of measurement? Measurement scale in which numbers are used as names of categories. For example, categorizes without making any order. The nominal scales are used. For example, religious, caste, gender status of the people are nominal scales. Only categories referred by the number and there is no rank order or there is no equal distance between the categories. Ordinal level is the second level of measurement. It's the measurement scale that categorizes and indicates the relative amount or the rank order of a characteristics. For example, educational status. it plays the occupational hierarchy. But the distance between two ranks are not meaningful. Now, when we speak about the education status of a person, it can be illiterate or literate. If he is literate, it can be primary education, secondary education, and higher education. We can find out an occupational hierarchy. We can place the illiterate at the lowest level of hierarchy, followed by primary education, then secondary education. But the distance between the illiterate and the literate is not meaningful. Similarly, the distance between the primary and secondary education is difficult. It is not relevant. Now the third level of measurement, that is interval. Interval level of measurement is a measurement scale that categorizes, indicates relative amount of rank order of a characteristics, and has units of equal distance between consecutive points on the scale. Examples are age and temperature. Equal interval, but ratio is meaningless. 80 degree centigrade is not twice as hot as 40 degree, though the value attributed is twice as large. Similarly, 20-year-old man is not half the size of 40-year-old man. So this interval level is mainly speaks about equal interval, years, age, temperature. Now the final level of measurement is ratio level. Ratio level is the measurement scale that categorizes, indicates relative amount of rank order of a characteristics, has units of equal distance between consecutive points of the scale, and compares terms as ratio of one to another. There is a proper 0 point. Examples of ratio levels are size, height, weight, income, expenditure, and this ratio level is mostly used in natural sciences, physical science, biological science, chemistry, while the nominal and ordinal levels are used in social sciences. Now, what is the role and importance of statistics in research? Statistics is used for sampling. Statistics is also used for data analysis. In data analysis, there are two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics, which is mainly used for estimating the central tendencies, such as mean, mode, median. There is derivative statistics, which means variance, the standard deviation, then correlation analysis, and the test of significance. In this way, statistics is very much applied, and the statistical techniques are widely used in social work research as it is used in social science research. Thank you. Dear students, welcome to unit number 4, topic 2, descriptive statistics, measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency means averages. Measures of central tendency refer to estimation of average. There are 3 types of averages. They are mean, median, and mode. Mean is the arithmetic average, is the total value of observation or frequencies divided by the number of observation. The disadvantage of mean is that it is affected by the extreme values and it may not represent any observation. The second average is called median. Median is the central most observation estimated after arranging the observation in ascending or descending order. The disadvantage of median is that it is affected if the distribution is skewed positively or negatively, which means sometimes some observations that are common may be occurring in the beginning or towards the end of the distribution. The third average is called mode. Mode is the most popular observation, and the disadvantage is that it is impossible when all the observations are unique or the similar ones are the extremes. Even if there are three types of averages, arithmetic mean is generally considered for statistical analysis. Here I am giving you one example. In the slide you will see distribution of 10 observation. It is the age of 10 people arranged in ascending order. The lowest one is 25 years and the highest value is 35 years. How to calculate the mean? Mean means total by number of observation. The arithmetic total or the sum of observation is 303 and number of observation is 10. 303 divided by 10 is 30.3. That is the arithmetic mean. When there are 10 observation, median means the average of 5th and 6th observation, because there is no the middlemost observation. In the middle there are two numbers, they are 30 and 32. So the median is calculated by adding up these two values divided by 2, that is 30 plus 32, that is 62 divided by 2 is 31. 31 is the median of this observation. The last one, mode. Mode is the most popular observation, and in this distribution you can find the 7th and 8th observation have the same value, that is 33. Therefore 33 is repeated at least once. That is the most popular observation. All other observations are unique except 33. So we can say 33 represents the entire observation. Here we find there is a difference between all the three averages. Arithmetic mean is 30.3. Median is 31. Mode is 33. See, mean, that is 30.3, is not there in the observation. So it is something, a new value derived. Similarly, median 31 is also not there in the observation. However, mode 33 is there in the observation. However, that is much higher than the mean. There is a difference between mean and mode, 3 values. So all these estimates have their own advantages and disadvantages, and for higher level calculation, for the estimation of standard deviation, correlation, standard error, etc., we use the arithmetic mean, that is 30.3. Thank you.